Hey, what's up, Sunny fam? Today we've got a nice 10-minute stretch for you. We're gonna stretch our upper body as well as our lower body, holding those stretches for a long period of time to really get all the benefits out of it. Hey, Sunny fam, I'm your trainer, Dana. Today we've got a 10-minute stretch. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, that bell that will give you all of our classes. All right, let's get started. So I want you to stand right now, just feet about hip distance apart. All I want you to do is take a big deep breath in through the nose, blow it out through the mouth. Let's go, we got 3 of those. One more. This one, add an arm up overhead, take it up, extend, and blow it out. Take it up. Blow it out. One more, take it up, hold it at the top. Connect those hands, take it over to one side. Just a gentle pull, a gentle stretch, hold this. Switch. Let it go, big shoulder rolls to the back. Take it forward. Clasp those hands in front, push it out. Take it behind your back, push your chest out. One more big deep breath in, take it up. Take it into a forward fold. Let your head, your neck, your shoulders just hang like a rag doll. Widen out your feet. Walk your hands over to one side. Walk it over to the other side. Take it back to the center. Walk your hands underneath you to try to get a little deeper stretch. Now I want you to walk it forward. Get a nice stretch in that upper body as well as your lower body here. We're going to take it over again, take it to one side. You should feel a little warmed now with those muscles. You can take that stretch a little bit deeper. Walk it over to the other side. Take it back through center, take those hands back. Walk it forward. Slowly come down onto your back. You're going to reach your fingertips and toes in the opposite direction. Bring one knee into your chest. Extend up to the ceiling. Get a nice hamstring stretch right there. This is one of my favorite stretches. Just feels so good. Our hamstrings can become so tight which adds a lot of tension to our low back. When your hamstrings are tight, a lot of times the low back feels not good. So making sure that we're stretching. We're also sitting for so much out of the day. We need to make sure that we just take this little time to stretch for us. Cross your ankle above your opposite knee. Figure 4 stretch, stretching out those glutes. This one feels so good as well. And I want you to extend this leg. You're gonna take your hand behind your ankle, turning to the side, and now you're gonna push your knee back. Here's a nice glute stretch. And come on up. You're gonna take it the other direction. I'm gonna switch sides. So I'm still facing you. Take it back, reach the fingertips and toes in the opposite direction. Bring that knee into your chest. Extend it up to the sky or the ceiling, wherever you happen to be right now. And you're gonna cross that ankle above your opposite knee or reach through, pull it back. And I want you to extend your leg, come over to the side, grab that foot, and now push your knee back. Nice quad stretch right there. It feels so good. Extend it out. Push your way back up. I want you right here on all fours. Let's do a little cat-cow. Tuck your tailbone under. And now arch your back, reach your head up. Two more. Last one. Okay, I want you to take your toes together, take your knees out a little bit, sit back on your heels. We're gonna go into child's pose. Just walk your hands out. Just place your forehead right on your mat. Walk it over to one side. And walk it over to the other side. Take it back to center. Reach it out a little bit further. And I want you to walk it back in. Just take it right here on your knees. Reach up and over. Switch sides, reach it up and over. One more time each side. Take it up and over. Final side, one more time, up and over. and let it go. Awesome job. I hope that you feel so good after that stretch. I'll see you guys next time.